Welcome back, guys, and today we are going to continue with the build. So we have a fresh new session today for us to use it, let's say that. So let me actually see that. And oh my god, okay, yes, okay, so we'll do a minimum live of 2 or 3 hours today, I think so let me check, let me clear this all, let me clear it because we don't need it. So okay, now let me see if the live is going great, if it's working properly, and let me see that actually. Okay, let me check, just a moment. So okay, now let me see if the live is going great, if it's working properly, use it, let's say that. So let me, okay, so we are live, we are good to go. So today's plan is for us, I don't understand a thing here. Every time I come in here I am logged out for whatever reason. That's a thing we'll need to do. So let's refresh what we are doing and what we did. We are now working on the AI center page. So yeah, let's go through it and let me actually show you one more time what we are doing with it, and after that we can continue with the actual build. So the point of this section is that it will let's say remove some of the tasks from this one. So what I wanna do is, first of all, I wanna let's say I want to okay, notifications, the fleet center needs to be moved up in here. Let me organize here a little bit. Let me see the AI center, the branches should be moved, the money pay, the payments, the web analytics, the maintenance, the bookings, customers, also customers intelligence, I don't think so. Web, customers intelligence, no. Staff and HR, no. Communications, no. Reviews, it's here. KYC and contracts, KYC here, contracts also here. Okay, give me just a moment, guys. Promotions, site content, okay. The promotions needs to go here, the site content also, the storefront also, legal documents also, settings, come on, also, okay. Then communications, review, contact, advanced configurations, also UI X security, and import also should be moved here. So we are good to go with that. We can close this, and this is all the sections that will be integrated in the AI center. So let's go through them. We have the notifications, we'll do a bot of that because I don't think we quite need it. The web analytics, we will also do a bot for that. We will keep the actual page. I can say that we will keep the actual page if the, I don't know, the client wants to see it for himself, but we'll somehow integrate them in AI center. Then we have customers intelligence, we don't need it and we will integrate it inside the bot. The staff and HR, we don't need it because we will use the AI. The communications tab is something that we will also integrate because the AI will respond to customers. The reviews also, contact also, the advanced configurations also, the quality also, the security also, and the theme we will not need it anymore. So we have here the command. Nothing is connected yet, but we gave it fake info for us to see what is going through and not what is not going through. So as you can see, we added recharge tab where we can add let's say money to it. Down below we have the actual bots that are currently not set up, but they somehow are connected. I don't know, we will need to go through that. So we have the file, we have the BooVAi, which is the main bot actually. Okay, so okay, we have that. Then we have what is he doing, if what is happening with him. Then we have some tasks that are ongoing right now, and then we have the BooVAi, which is the main bot. Like, let's say the head, he's the CEO of all the bots. These are all the bots that we have at the moment. I don't know if we are going to keep them all, but yes, it is what it is. Then we have the recommendations tab, in which you can see there are tasks. Okay, we have then the jobs task. I don't understand what this sweep means. I will need to ask him that. Okay, let me actually do that right now and ask him what does he mean. What do you mean by here, like the sweep? If something, this is from the AI Center tab. Okay, then we have the knowledge where we actually input the knowledge. But what I wanted to do here is that I would like it to memory. Okay, we have memory, but actually what we don't have is the okay. For the memory tab here, there is something that is not quite correctly. So what I want you to do, I would like also to be able to upload files if needed, and they will be transcribed as like database, like text or something. And also I would like to select a section from the actual CRM and take that information and what it does, and yeah, please modify a little bit how this section works. What is this? So let's see. The sweep, the scheduled batch pass that works every workflow and fires the other ones that are due. Nothing is missing from the tab. To way a job can fire and the job on tab. So which ones? Okay. And there's okay, the concept worth knowing. Because the sweep runs once a day, the configure hour is ignored. Can you explain in plain English what it actually does and what is its tasks? Okay, I don't really understand why is that. Okay, never mind. So then we have the cost tab where we can add funds, we can put credits, we see all these strategies. But actually what I don't like here, as you can see, this is not quite equally, so please make these three cards equally, so make them the same height as the one from the right, and the rest of information from the first one and the second one should be scrollable. If something, this is from the AI Center tab, and more specifically the API tab. Okay, let me actually see. In planning, the sweep is a janitor that wakes up once a day and asks, did anything happen that one that one of your job was supposed to react to. If it exists, solve your jobs are supposed to fire on events, a payment, blah blah blah. But live shouting is fragile. The server crashes in the request once a day. Vercel pings your app and the suite does this. For each tenant separately works every active job, rebuilds the last 20 years of history from the actual database, doesn't read the event log, it rates your booking customers, blah blah blah, checks your calendar for weekly, monthly jobs. Okay, runs the matching jobs playbooks, follows the step, eventually the branch is sent to fail. Writes down what it fired, 1 tick marks per job, okay. So the live bus is the fail, okay. So basically once a day it looks for failures or jobs or whatever. Will this consume tokens? Okay, API, okay, manual. He did not understand what I mean by manual. We will do that right now. So we have configured also the settings tab, which is quite nice if you ask me. So basically we have the command, we have, I don't know why it isn't still in Romanian, even though I told him to do it in English. So basically we'll need to change that, but for now it is good to go, and I will explain if something what this does and what this means. Okay, so basically we will do this. So this is how much the bot is actually led to decide for himself. So you have the first level where he just observes and analyzes and doesn't touch nothing. We have the recommended one in which he can make some actions, but he asks me. This is the assistant one, which he makes the small tasks for himself, and the big ones he is giving to me. The autumn one, which is he is just solving his zone. He is reporting me when the things that are wrong, and then we have the complete full autonomy in which he is doing everything he wants to without limitations. If he needs something, he just takes it, basically. Then we have the actual bots tab, in which we can fire them, we can close them, we can, I don't know, we can give access to them. We can see which access we can give to them, to which sections, to what he is using and what he is doing actually. Then we have the limits in which we input the money, how much money he should be able to use. And then we have the team with what bots he can like talk to. We have the, I don't quite understand what is this one. I think what his style, like what his style is supposed to be when actually talking, and the memory. So basically, yeah, when we have the lab in which we can run tests, we can make scenarios, and then this actual page was made more for me, but we'll leave it also for the clients if they want to make tests and to actually understand what those bots will do. We will be making a tutorial, that's for sure, but for now this lab test, yes, and this is the audit in which you can see everything, and yeah, pretty much this. Okay, so I think we are good to go with that. No, the suite costs you nothing in tokens, has no I9. Okay, the playbook steps, okay. Okay, let me actually push. So I think we are good to go on that, but our goal for today is for us to finally finish not the whole tab, but how it looks, because at the moment it looks quite nice if you ask me, but as you can see it doesn't have memory. Okay. Okay, so it has some sort of memory, but it is quite big if you ask me, and I can't see all of it when I come directly here. So what I want to tell him, we can close one because I don't think we need all of them. So what I want you to do now is for the Boof tab, I want you to make the actual card and the details like text smaller, because it is quite big and I can't see all of it if I have more errors to it. So please do that. Okay. Okay, this is still going, which is correctly, because previously it was not configured rightfully. Okay. Inside here for both the Garages tab and the Comment tab, so yeah, pretty much this. I need you what I needed to do. To remove the first line, like the vehicule substantial. This is specifically for the bots that require a decision, or the ones that are not working properly. So please look into that, because we have a line down below, so it's double for whatever reason. And also what I want you to remove is the please do those both things. Now the size trim. Okay. Not the memory, but it is the memory actually. He did something. Let's see what he did. Article no. Company contract. What the hell is... wait a bit, guys. Yes, please. Wait, let me actually see. Okay. So, okay, guys, I will come back. I just need 5 minutes. So, yeah, I'm coming back in 5 minutes.
You should go now. Run. No, I won't leave you here. We can run together. Listen, if we run together, they will shoot us from behind. We both die. So, how's about you here? They will kill you. No, don't worry about me. I will hold them. I want you to promise me to survive, to take this message for our country.
I'm back, guys. Sorry, I needed to do a quick thing. So yeah, we are good to go. I think so. Okay, let's see. For the memory, he did something, but I don't like it at all, and we will need to modify it. Okay. Okay, he needed to do something in BooV actually. I don't know if it wasn't deployed what I asked him to do, but as you can see, there is no particulars of maybe if cards equal. Okay, let me push. Maybe the changes will be good to go now. Okay, so okay, here is okay. The thing with the BooV needs to be now. But what I think maybe I can put this free down below because it's not quite good for me actually. I don't really like. We will see how he will shrink it, because basically now he will shrink it and make it smaller. Okay, but where is my thing with the AI workface? Okay, in the AI workface, I don't know if you remember that. I generally don't know why did you remove it, but basically we had some sort of command tab for the me right now to actually test the bots, and we had this tab where we could see the runs the bot had and what failed and what exactly failed and why it failed, like in a pop-up kind of thing, or down below. You removed it, put it back, and yeah, please do that. If you can find it, make a tab where I can see all the runs and all the steps that it had, and where it failed and why it failed, with the raw code. Raw code of the fail. Okay, and then recommended tab. It's quite okay from I think. So basically, yeah, this sweep is let's say a recharge, kind of that. Here in the jobs tab, what I want you to do is that I want you to but if I make playbook steps scrollable, so you could shrink the actual right part card, so the end is the same level as the tasks from the left. So please do that, so it's at the same level. Don't make the cards from the left bigger, just do what I told you on the right part. Did he deploy? Yes, he did. Okay, now let's see. Did he make... Okay, so actually this is quite nice. I think so. And if I open, yeah, it's actually really good. It's actually really good, if you ask me to. Okay, and if I refresh... Okay, that is actually really good. It's quite nice. But now I want to see a thing. Let me actually say a thing. If I press on verify, it opens this, but if I ask BooV, it will say it failed, and that's completely normal. But actually it's quite nice, if you ask me, because those three, when you start a conversation, those three disappear. So that is quite nice. But you see, I don't like this. I really don't like this. What I don't like in the BooV chat is that the messages As you can see, they are staying fixed and it will make the card long. But what I want you to do, I want you to put for every row just one row. So it's my answer, his answer, mine, his, in a scrollable way. So it's one thing and the rest of them are scrollable. Do you understand what I mean? I don't understand. I don't think I explained to him very good, but it is what it is. What can we do now? We can do nothing. Okay, so we will do that, but first of all, okay, this is quite nice. Okay, this is good, but the tab, okay. When coming initially to the
You're watching YouTube, but did you know there's a YouTube music app where you can listen to playlists based
tab,
on
I want it
whatever
to
mood
go
you're in?
down
Hit YouTube Music for you.
below at the bots, not stay up, so please do that. Because when I come it's here, because when I come it's here up. So yeah, and for the recommendations tab, actually I think the cards are a little too big and there is too much space between them. Another thing that I don't like is that in the recommendations tab, the actual card of the recommendation, it's too big. So please fix that. Okay. And there is a little too much space between the actual recommendations. So please do that also and change it and update it. Oh, and also another thing is that when I initially come to the page, I should see only the first recommendation, not all of them. So take that also in consideration when making the changes. Okay, so we are good to go. Okay, so actually that ski guy came back. I spoke with the guy, he is very nice, he's a cool guy. Yeah, we are in touch. I have taken his Instagram and we are speaking. Hello, welcome back. So let me actually see if he will make what I asked him, because I don't think he made those changes. Let me actually commit. Okay, so we should be good to go. Wait a moment, guys. Okay, sorry. Thanks you too. Yeah, I told you guys, he's a nice guy. But now let's continue with the build unlocking, how we can say. Okay, he made this, I think so, yep. Okay, this tab is pretty much done, the design of it. It's not the best, but it's okay and it's quite nice. Remove the control manual global switch. Okay, and also we can set a goal, but let me actually see, do we have something here? I don't think so. We don't have such a thing. No, we don't actually. Okay. Okay. What we can do, what I want you to do, I want you, instead of the phone owner, I want you makes some sort of like limitations. So basically what I want is that I want to allow the user to put a limit of how much money he can use in tokens. So yeah, please do that. And also the bar from up, you see there is a bar from up. I should also input or change the limit for that month or whatever. So yeah, please think of something here, and yeah, after the limit was hit, it should not go over. So if we have some sort of tasks and we are nearly the limit, I should get a notification in order to see what tasks can be done or what tasks I can continue with. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So okay. Error. Why did we get an error? Let me see. Wait a bit, guys. I need to understand why did we get an error on our last push. So what? We had an error on our last push. Please look into it. Okay, so let me close again. Okay, so we are back, but I don't quite understand why did we get an error, but anyways. Okay, so basically what I will do also, but I think we can do it right now, so we don't like waste time, and when we will set everything. Yep. Okay, this is quite okay. Okay, so we will also look into this because that is something from the push. Okay, the cost. Okay, the manual, the settings. Okay, it's quite a lot if you ask me. It's really quite a lot. But what can we do? It is what it is. This is still building, okay. What I will want to do is that I will also make a talking bot that could take inbound calls and some sort of that. Okay, costs, because we have something here. Okay, you see, actually let me start doing that by clearing this session. What I want you to do, I want you to take every bit of information that you have from the AI center regarding calls and inbound calls. So basically what I will do and we will do is we will make a new tab, and you will put it somewhere, I don't know, find a good place for it. It's a completely new tab in the AI center. uh, it's called calls, and basically what this tab will do is that it will take calls for my customers. So basically when people are going to call, they will be talking to an AI. And yeah, please make some sort of section with a lot of tabs and a lot of diversified tabs. And yes, please do that right now by making and giving me a beautiful tab and give me ideas for it. But basically what I will want to do, I will stop it. No, come on, bro. Okay, but basically what I will do right now, I'll go in chat and I will see what he ideas can he actually give me, because I don't think it's quite correct what this one gave me. Disconnect. Okay, let me actually, a minute guys, let me actually log in into my account. So I think it's this one. Okay. So yeah, we are back. So basically what I will do is that I will give him an idea with the calls with the AI. So I see that we are 4 people on the live. Hello guys. If somebody has some questions, just please drop them in the comments, and don't forget to ask questions if you have any questions. So we are building an actual CRM system. Uh, okay, okay. Okay. But no, it's also a tab in the AI. Where was the conversation? Oh, but now give me the updated prompt where you explain that to him. So basically let me push. Okay, calls timeline. Wait. Yes, so basically, oh my god, how many tabs there is. It's a lot, what? It is quite a lot if you ask me. So yeah, basically this is what he is doing. This is ready, but I don't think it finished what I asked him to. Okay, that one was done. Okay, then let me look. This one is also done, but let me just see a thing here. Asking both, okay. But oh my god, it's again the design problem. So basically we had a design problem and it's still not fixed. What the hell, bro? Okay, he did some sort of chat, but it's still big. I don't know, for whatever reason. We have this problem back with the chat when pressing on a button to talk with both from a card. I get this problem back where the chat shrinks, but that is something wrong we previously fixed, but it's wrong again. Ask Boo, you see, it's, oh my god, bro, what the hell? Oh my god, ruler. What the fuck? Oh my god. What? Oh my god, bro. So, what happened? I don't know. I don't know what is this tab and when was it made. What the hell is this? What the hell is this and when was this made? Recommendation jobs. Okay, the jobs is actually, yeah, but I didn't meant that when with the playbook. No, not quite. This is now broken, so please look into that problem. I asked you to previously make this at the same height, but now the playbook it's not at all visible, so make them a little bit bigger in order for the playbook to actually be visible on the first two, let's say. And yeah, I don't know, please make it bigger because it's not visible at all. Let's see. Not me, none of my edits touch ever. Both came from an hour cloud session, working the same, okay. Remove it. I don't know what is this tab, but this is the run logs, but we have a run log already, and it's this one. Basically, yeah, that needs to do that. It will do right now. Okay, but let me actually. Okay, it's going down, which is good. Okay, this is going. This will be removed. Okay, this is good. This is also good, but for this one, I want it to redirect me down. This is how this tab should look when I press on it, like it should be scrolled down, but at the moment it's not. It stays up and it's ugly, and please make it so when I come to it, it scrolls down automatically. Okay, this is quite okay. This is okay, but we'll change a little bit how it's arranged. We will move. Basically what we will do is we will move this here, and we'll put those three down below. Okay, I wanted to move the API card higher, and more especially under the credit and alimentare. So it's credit alimentare, and then the API, and then the rest cards. Okay, if something that is from the AI center cost tab. Okay, the manual tab is also not right, but I don't wanna give him that, or in general tell him something, because he is doing this at the moment, which is quite big, and after he will finish I will give it to him. Okay, let me actually go through one more time. This is good. That was removed actually. Okay, speak. Okay, let me go one more time. Open file, it opens the file. Verify, it goes in the chat. Okay, ask Boov. He's asking Boov. He did not fix that because I did not push. Okay, give conversation. It gives the conversation. Okay, one of the errors. I asked him to remove this actually. Previously asked you for the problems, chats or whatever. Let me actually see. Are we still good with the music? No. Why? Yeah, that was my problem, guys. Oh my god, not this guy again.
Making short clips of my podcast. So the
Okay. So basically, I think he did not make it, but I will tell him that. I told you to remove the conversation right now line that is gray. Right now at the you did not do that. Okay. And let me see. Finance, open file, ask BooV. Okay. Here it's okay. Open. Okay. See recommendation. Okay. Tutorial. It's okay. It's this one. BooV. I don't know. Is it lagging? Yes, it's lagging at the end. For a split second after the information comes through, I don't know, for whatever reason, but the BooV chat is lagging, so please fix it also. Yeah, I don't know why, but for a split second it lags for whatever reason. I don't know. I don't really know why is it lagging for a split second. This will be removed. Oh, okay. Basically, yeah. Okay. No, we need it. I understand what is this. Now I understand. This is the raw configuration that we actually need. Okay. After he finishes, so if you want either picked up. Okay, to failures on the tree, both from parallel world on these edits. I haven't touched. Features only reservation is not earned as before. Okay, no, we don't. Okay, now I understand what is this tab. This is the run log tab, but I don't know why he made it in here. Actually, okay, but anyways. This is a tab that I will use for me to actually see the bots when we will actually configure them, but for the moment we don't need it. No, we actually need a tab, but we don't need the actual thing. But I don't know for why did he made, for whatever reason, it. Okay, so we are live for 1 hour. It's okay. Open the stream. Let me actually check what is happening. Just a moment. What is happening? Okay, I understand what is the problem here. I will actually open the door a little bit. So basically I will open the door, and that way the internet could flow through the whole house. And yeah. Okay. This is still going, okay. Okay. To take. So, okay, should we do the manual tab or should we not? That's the question. Let me see if we have the capability to do that, but I don't wanna ask him to do two things simultaneously. So actually we have made a mistake. The tab is everything that we need, but we mistakenly removed it. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to revert the change and put it back, but put it at the end. Or should we put it after settings? Okay, so basically what was that tab is, if you're asking me, is I'm sorry. So basically this tab is for when we are configuring the bots. I would want to see what failed and why it failed, so I can give the message to Claude or whatever I will be using for it to be fixed. But this is taking quite a lot. Okay. This is taking quite a lot, if you ask me. I would want to push, but then I don't know. Okay, let me actually give the prompt to it. Now let's configure correctly the manual tab. Basically, what I wanted for manual tab is that the user could do the tasks that the AI will be doing manually. Okay. So please explain to him that basically what I want inside manual, the tabs that the AI is using, the full tabs inside just a single tab, and these are the tabs that he needs to put. So he needs to take the ones that I will give you right now in photo 2 and put in manual and remove them from the dashboard, from the left panel or whatever, and put them in manual, and they will be separately. So when I press on manual, I could select the individual pages and it will redirect me to the actual page from that. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so security, but basically let me do that because we will not have staff and HR, they will be removed, and that. From the left panel, okay, photo 2 and 3. Okay. Okay, he's still going. 102,000 tokens. Oh my god. I don't know how is he still going. The concept, okay, but let me actually see. Holy moly, half a session gone. Through the window. Okay, we can close this one. We can clear this one. But let me actually basically we will see what he made, but let me for the manual execution you don't need to explain to him what I can do. I just asked you to tell him that from the manual execution I should be able to go in the manual tab and then see the actual tabs there, and when pressed on them I can go directly in the tab that we already made. So, but give me the updated prompt now, the full one with the updated information. Oh my god, 107, okay. Jarvis. Okay, we can copy it and go on notes and paste it. And now what I wanna do is I wanna check the previous tab that he made me. My god, okay, so it's this one. I don't really know what he made me here, but we will see right now. Okay, of course, okay. Alright, AI employee.
Listen to rare
Oh my
covers of
god,
your
how
favorite
many
artists
tabs?
on the YouTube Music app.
It's a lot, quite a lot, if you ask me. Damn. He's actually ready. Let's see. I'm really curious what he has done to the page. So now let's wait for him to actually finish it, and after that I can look on it. And yeah, we should be able to do that. I'm really interested in what he will do actually. I'm really curious. Because we have quite a lot of sections, some text, if it's longer it's cutted, so what I want you to do is put a scroll in there for the sections if they are too long, so keep them as they are, but for the ones that don't fit, they should be scrolled on the right. Building, okay, it's still building. this tab is quite important actually. If this tab will be removed at the end, because they don't need it, actually it's me who needs it. Okay, the jobs page also, the cost tab. Okay, we will see what he will do. It's quite a lot. What I gave him to do right now, it's really quite a lot, and it's really important that we do it correctly. But after we will be done with the design and everything, it will be quite a lot when we will start by adding and fixing the actual tabs and verifying them. It will be quite a lot of work and quite a bit of money, if you ask me, invested in this. But you know how they say, if you wanna do something great, you gotta invest time and money. So yeah, I'm really curious what he made. Let's see. Okay, we have this one. Let me actually see. Holy shit. Damn. Live inboxes. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Cost. Yeah. It's something, but it's not. It's quite powerful. Numbers. Okay, this is quite nice. Okay. Yeah, we'll have a lot of them. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's quite a lot. Let me see. Verify. It's okay, it's good. See in BooVAi. The design of it is done, it's back. Okay. This one was removed. Open file, it's good. Verify. Okay. Verify. Okay. Ask BooVAi. Okay. It's okay, it's good. Open, but this, okay, this is good. Okay. This one, okay. This one. Bro, what? Why it's like that, bro? But it's okay, I think. Yeah, it's good. Okay, jobs. It's quite big if you ask me. These ones are quite big, so please make them a little bit smaller. and if the playbook, like the limitation of the card should be at let's see, I don't know, 3 steps, and after the third one the rest of them should be scrollable. So yeah, please do that modifications so it will be at the same level and higher at the third one. Yeah, did you understand what I meant? If something, this is from the AI center. Okay, this one. Okay, now let's give to him the manual tab, which is quite a lot again. He will do the manual tab, and oh my god,
You're
it
watching
is
the
really
Teen
a lot.
Crush play Billie Eilish.
The
Did you know
calls,
that
let's
there's a
see
YouTube
what we
music
need
app where you
here.
can also listen to the
Actually.
EDM version, the ska version, and of course, the original version.
Okay, this we
Get
need.
YouTube Music Premium.
Okay, live, we need live. Let's see, I don't know, but we can make calls and put all this in calls. And in calls put all of that. What we can do here is instead of having different tabs like live, inbox, historic, we can make a tab called calls, and where everything from these tabs will be there. If something, this is the calls tab from the AI center, so please do that. After, you can put it after okay, I don't think we need this one, really. Quality, what does it mean by quality? And what? Okay. Okay. Oh, I understand now. So yeah, this is what he made actually. Okay. Remove this specific tab. This is the remove this specific tab. what is that? Okay. Oh, okay, I understand what is this. Numbers. Okay. But numbers should be in settings actually. What should change? I want to just drop it because we already have something like that, so just drop it. Okay, what is the? I understand what is this. Knowledge, automatizations. Okay, but numbers. But the numbers tab should be actually in settings located, so please relocate it. Okay, let's see. How long do you think this is going to take? Oh my god, if you ask me, seriously, I think in September we should be good to finish, because we have school is starting and it's quite a lot. But if we really lock in, I think we can finish it by the end of September. And after we finish it, the plan is this. After we finish it, like I mean this one specifically, we will stop making CRMs or SaaS in general for a period, because it is quite a lot. You see, we already have 2 or 3 months on this system. Yeah, we have 2-3 months on this system, and it's quite big if you ask me. 2-3 months for what we have done till this moment, it's not a lot. Like, it's really a lot. In a very short period of time we have done so much. It's a really big project. It's a really big commitment also to start something like that, because when you start something like that, you got to understand that it will take time, it will take your space, it will take a lot. It will take really a lot. So continue. Why did you stop? Okay, wait, let me. So yeah, I was telling, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of patience to finish a project like that. But our goal is that after we finish this, simultaneously, we will be focusing on getting fundings. And what we mean by fundings, we will do individual projects like, I don't know, landing pages, websites. We will be doing also automations, all kind of stuff like that. So a basic agency, what does we will do, and we will work just with Swedish and Romanian people. So we'll work with 2 or 3 countries maximum, because we don't want expanding countries that have overpopulated agencies like America, because right now every 14 or 15 years old kid is doing this, and American people don't quite understand the difference between me, which I am a good agency that you see what is doing every day, and I don't know, a 14-year-old kid that is doing websites with Lovable, and he thinks they are good from the first try. But it's not like that. It's not absolutely nothing like that. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of patience, and you really need to put work if you want to achieve something in this world, and that's what we are doing here. So the plan is till September we need to somehow finish this system, and after we actually finish this system we will start by making custom, I don't know, projects, let's say that, and hopefully we'll gain an audience. We will also be focusing on social media more, and that's the plan actually, to actually start getting off base of clients. We will be making this system, and after it's done we will focus on social media more. We will actually, I don't know, we will go on and having more experience, if you understand what I mean. And basically we will do what an agency does, and we will be working with 3 countries like I mentioned previously, and we will start getting projects maybe, and that's how we will get a base. And after that we can also invest in social media, ads, all that, and we can actually do that. Yes, well, but who knows, maybe the CRM will start also be liked by agencies, other agencies maybe, or other I don't know, persons that will be using it. And yeah, because we did not do it just for fun. If you want to do something for fun, you can do, I don't know, on a website, or you can do something different, but definitely not this kind of a system just for fun. And that is what we are doing right now. We don't do this just for fun. It has a point, it has a meaning for us. So we will have this as a goal for, yeah, and after we finish this one, why not continue with our builds, and after, I don't know, a period of 4 or 5 months we'll come back and maybe start other projects, like, I don't know, an app maybe, who knows, we will see actually. So yeah, we have quite a bit of planning this year. This is quite a bit of making, if you ask me. So basically this tab is quite done, I think. So Bogdan still needs to go through the payments, the money center. He said he wants to integrate other things also, and that's it, what he will basically do. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, we are quite good here on what we are making. Okay. Hey, verified, not verified. Let me commit. Okay, let's see if it will come through. And after verifying the page, I think I'm gonna go and do other things, because we are live for how much? For 1 hour and 30 minutes, which is quite good if you ask me to. Yes, so what I wanted also to tell you guys is that we understand that this is really a big project what we are doing right now, and we understand we first needed to get customers and then starting this, but for us it's really something different. because we really think we are going to have a lot of potential with I don't know, customers from the car rental niche, and they will see the potential of it, and why not possibly even start using it.
Bitch, start tripping, now I'm blue. Nigga, man, I can't wait for losing, cause I got too many haters, man. Used to be the nigga, grew up now, nigga. Player
So
one,
yeah,
player two, show your ass what players do. Up, down, left, right, hit 'em with a stroke attack. Yeah, I smoke the strongest back. Tell me what is wrong with that. 4 points in the laundromat, you can't help but honor that. Jam, man, make a man, more games in the Sega, man. All I smoke is chronic, run my punches like I'm Sonic. From the hood, I speak phonics. That is economic, shorty, we can link like Zelda. That hoping you a failure, it's like your money up like Tetris. I don't know what else to tell you. Over here, everybody gotta go, my life is golden now. You wanna know why niggas die? Nigga, I just told you. I told you, bitch, we need to take a break, cause she is spacing me. Niggas do not know the game, why? Cause they play it.
let's see right now. I told him not to do that, but anyways, manual. Okay, manual. Okay, he kinda understand what I meant, but not really actually. Okay, it's good, but not quite, if you ask me. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. We are going to go do some other stuff. You see what we are doing every day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and God bless you all, and don't lose hope on what you are doing, because God has a plan for you and everything will work out eventually if you are working. So thanks guys for watching, and